first movers in technology, BharatBenz have loaded the all-new range of BharatBenz heavy-duty trucks with profit technology.
Of the day, right?
And so the hero of the day consumes less diesel. You need to spend much less on maintenance. It's higher on safety for our drivers. It does more trips. It is far more comfortable for our drivers. And it can carry some extra load. I have one final question, Mr. Maslov. What is the extra price that my customers need to pay for this all-new BharatBenz?
I think that's a very good question, Sumi. 3,000 years ago, in India, there was one number discovered or invented by Aryabhata. Somebody knows this number? Zero. Good. And our price index comes more. Zero.
It's an all-new BharatBenz at the price of GST. Wow.
It's our contribute to the environment, to the nation, zero price increase, nothing more, nobody can do that.
Truly delivered a promise.
Absolutely, I said it, this wasn't the spec book, we delivered it for the same price.
Thank you so much, Mr. President.
Thank you, sir.